sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Pratilisa with name 632400267. Here I will present about computer and hardware, which will be my main term exam score for English course. The first, computer. What is meant by a computer? Maybe you think that a computer is a machine or device that we often use in the office, school, or internet cafe. But in general, the definition of a computer is an electronic device that can be used to process data according to the procedures that have been formulated so that it will produce useful information for user. Etymology: the word computer comes from Latin, namely computer, which means to calculate. So, in simple terms, the definition of computer is a tool used to calculate arithmetic. Some express say, but here I will explain two express, namely William M. Fowry. According to William M. Fowry, the definition of a computer is data processing tools that perform large and fast calculation, include arithmetic and logic calculation, and these calculations do not involve human intervention. And the second, Robert H. Blismer. According to Robert H. Blismer, the definition of a computer is an electronic device that is capable of performing several tasks, including receiving input, processing input, storing command, and producing output in the form in information. Next, three main elements of a computer. The first, hardware. Hardware in a computer. Hardware consists of a processor, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, and CPU. And the second, software. Software is the operating system and various applications that are entered into the hardware and work according to the user command. Last but not least, firmware. Firmware are computer user or operator who use computers. Next, computer component. The first, input component. Input component is hardware component that function as command giver for various tasks that will be given to the computer. Some of these input components include 1 keyboard, 2 mouse and trackpad, 3 pen, 4 scanner, 5 microphone. And the second, process computer. This computer is a function to process data or process command given by brainware, which are then displayed on the output component. 1 processor, 2 motherboard, 3 hard disks. Last, process component. Process component is a component that has a function to display information from command that have been processed by computer. 1 monitor, 2 printer, 3 speaker. Next, I will explain what hardware. Hardware is all types of components on a computer that have a physical form, can be sent and felt. So, It can be said that the definition of hardware in a computer system is a physical computer tool that is used to perform several processes such as input, output, and process. Next, 4 characteristics of hardware. The first, having a physical form. One of the differences between software and hardware is its form. Software can only be seen in appearance but does not have a physical form, while hardware has a physical form that can be seen and felt. The second, general hardware. Some examples of hardware are keyboard, printers, scanner, and other hard disks. And the third, location on the outside of the computer. Most hardware is location on the outside of the computer, however, not all of it. Some of them are inside the computer, for example, RAM and CPU. Last, the 4 connecting media between user and software. Hardware is a device that is useful for connecting between user and software, where it will receive input and then provide output to the user. The next, 4 hardware functions. 1. Providing output. 2. Receiving input. 3. Storing information and data. 4. Processing information and data. 3 example hardware. The first, the motherboard. The motherboard is a unit that hosts the central processing unit or CPU. This hardware has a shape like a printed circuit board. The motherboard functions as a central connection that is run by all other hardware components. Second, CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer that is responsible for processing and executing digital instructions from various programs. Some CPU brains have different speed. This speed determines the performance and efficiency of the computer in processing data. Last, hard drive. Hard drive devices are permanent and temporary data storage space. In a hard drive, user can store various files in various formats, as program, OS, document, photo, videos, and so on. That's my presentation about computer and hardware. I hope you can understand it. I apologize if there are any mistakes or incorrect pronunciation. Thank you. Bye-bye.